Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 18th of November. That means we are 1 week away from Thanksgiving. Wow, where did this year go? Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. And hey, it's raining in Fayette at 5 o'clock. How about that? That very strong impulse coming out of the southern plains, rolling through the state this morning, squeezing out a little rain over the northwestern part of the state. Here's a look at downtown Jasper. Looks like they are still dry. And we'll go down south to Clanton, down in Chilton County. And again, they are rain-free at this point. Here's the water vapor satellite shot. You can see that strong wave coming through here. It even forced some thunder back in parts of Texas and Louisiana late last night. And despite the fact that there is very limited moisture, it is raining in spots. Here's a look at the temperatures. We've got readings mostly in the 40s. The cool spot, Gadsden at 39. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Cullman at 46 degrees. And yeah, it's raining. In fact, pretty widespread. Now, that's very light, but again, you can see that it's raining over Fayette County, Lamar, Marion, parts of Walker and Winston, Tuscaloosa. And that's moving east. Now, with time, that will just slowly shrink up, and by the time it reaches East Alabama, most of it will probably be gone. And we are expecting the sun to break out this afternoon as this thing moves by pretty quickly. So it should be a day with clouds this morning, some light rain or sprinkles, and then sunshine breaking through this afternoon. And really, after today, things look pretty quiet for the next 5 days. This is the expected rain around the nation through Monday evening next week at 7 o'clock. And you can see just a little bit, and that's basically for the rain that's falling this morning. Beyond that, things should be quiet. And we do realize that many people will be traveling in coming days, so we'll try and keep this map up on the board. This is the watch warning map, and we've got some scattered winter weather issues back in the northwest and a wind advisory up in the northeast, but much of the country is pretty quiet for now. Let's take you through it for the next 15 days. What do you say? This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System. The OZ run valid at 12 noon today. And again, you can see the vortex that is squeezing out the light rain this morning is now east of the state. And down below that, any rain should be long gone. Have a northerly flow. And again, the sky should become sunny later today. Might be a slow process, but we'll be optimistic. And if the sun does break out later, we're expecting temperatures up in the low 60s today. Great night tonight for the Alabama-Georgia State football game at Bryant-Denny Stadium, but cool. In fact, temperatures there should reach the 40s by the second half with a clear sky. Tomorrow looks good. Mid-60s are likely. Saturday looks good. How about a high of 70? Doesn't sound great? Perfect day. We'll start the day in the 40s, wind up with a high close to 70 with a bright sunny sky. And really the same thing on Sunday. Both the GFS showing a high close to 70 on Sunday, and that's just delightful. All right, next week, it's Thanksgiving week. This is Monday, 588 warm ridge nosing in here from the Gulf. Cold trough out west, very cold air over Canada. And at the surface, that's what we've got. Looks like it'll be a dry and a mild day for the state. GFS showing a high of 72. Wow. But very cold air coming down across the border up there, and the shower activity there should start to break out from Texas up toward Buffalo and Erie. But again, it looks like we'll stay dry on Monday. There's Tuesday, and again, the better forcing is still northwest of the state on that front. Just a small chance of a shower Tuesday, and mid-70s are likely. Very mild and muggy. But again, you cross that front, you've got that 1,032 millibar polar high, and it's awfully cold up there. And on the front, rain is likely in places like Indianapolis and Little Rock. And Wednesday, this is the day before Thanksgiving. Everybody's traveling. Not everybody, I'm not, but a lot of people are traveling. And again, you can see that this run is all of a sudden faster with that front. And it's got a band of showers passing through Alabama Wednesday, with the rain in places like Houston, Jackson, Birmingham, Nashville, Knoxville, New York City, Boston, and Washington, D.C., and Philadelphia. And the cold air is pushing on down. And then for Thanksgiving Day, A nice trough is forming over the east, and this run has the rain ending early Thanksgiving morning. But this is just one run. This is much faster than recent runs. Again, the idea is very clear. We're going to have some rain Wednesday, Thursday, or on both days. The exact timing, it's too early to tell. I wouldn't be shocked if the next run were to be slower based on the upper air pattern, but if by chance this would be right, the rain would be ending pretty early in the day, Thanksgiving, with colder air dropping in. And then for Friday, Iron Bowl Friday. A week from tomorrow, and Black Friday, big shopping day, just cold and dry, 540 line down to Birmingham. That would be a day where we probably would not get out of the 40s. Very chilly air. Maybe a few snow flurries up north in the colder air, but no major snowstorms there. All right, let's dig a little deeper. Ooh, look at November 30th. That's a big trough over the east. That is very cold. Yeah, we see that snow flurry look there, but it makes sense. We've showed you this graphic, the North Atlantic Oscillation with that big downward spike, and that would open the door for something like that. So it could be very cold around here at the end of this month, the 1st of December. Then a few days later, on December 3rd, the pattern de-amplifies, and that looks relatively quiet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.